Hi friends, if you are a doctor, I am here to recommend and tell you why you should attend Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja's courses. He is a practicing dentist with about 25 years of clinical practice and also a finance, practice management and medical legal ethics coach. He is a rare combination of all in one. He is academically qualified with 3 MBAs and many other courses to mentor all of us. I am Dr. Ragu Ganesh, the Chief Dental Surgeon of Ragu Dental Clinic in Chennai. I had the privilege of enrolling in Dr. Bhavdeep's courses. I can confidently say that the value he gives far exceeds the fees paid. It all started with the finance course, which was about basic understanding of balance sheet. My journey with him did not stop with that. I had attended all his courses. He was a continuous source of learning and growth for me. What sets his course apart from others is that he doesn't only impart knowledge, he turns you into action takers. You start seeing tangible results immediately. The other important thing is the support that he gives even after the course ends. He is a selfless person who continuously supports you with updates as and when required. All his courses can be attended at a discounted fee if you are interested in learning the updates, and he makes sure all the courses has all the updates, whether it is finance, practice management or medical legal ethics course. Dr. Bhavdeep practices what he preaches and preaches what he practices. With about 20 plus more years of clinical experience, I had a lot to learn from him. Implement those learnings and could see a lot of positive results in my clinical practice. I wholeheartedly recommended my fellow dentists to attend his course and reap the benefits. I would like to take this wonderful opportunity to promote and tell you about his YouTube channel and his ads-free educational WhatsApp groups for the benefit of the community, which would be the first-hand source for you to learn from him, and will also clearly explain to all of you his passion of teaching. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn under him and grow with him. Thank you.